Your Bosch dishwasher is filling and heating but won't spray water, and we're fixing that right now. This common issue often points to a simple mechanical obstruction or a minor electrical fault. First, we're going to address the circulation pump, which is the heart of your dishwasher's spraying action. Power off the unit completely, then locate and remove the pump access panel. Carefully inspect the pump impeller for any debris like glass shards or food particles that could be jamming it. Clear any obstructions you find, then reinstall the panel securely and power the dishwasher back on. If that doesn't resolve the Bosch dishwasher not spraying water problem, the issue might be with the water inlet valve. Disconnect the power supply again and identify the water inlet valve, checking its connecting hose for any kinks or damage. You'll want to test the valve's electrical continuity. If it fails, replace the faulty valve and reconnect power. Still no spray? Next, we'll tackle the spray arms themselves, as clogged nozzles are a frequent culprit. With the dishwasher off, detach both the upper and lower spray arms. Use a thin wire or toothpick to meticulously clean out every single nozzle opening, ensuring unrestricted water flow. Then firmly reattach them. Finally, if none of these steps work, we'll perform a control panel reset. Unplug the Bosch dishwasher, locate the control panel reset button, and press and hold it for a full 30 seconds. Reconnect the power cable